Big breaking news coming in. One more example of a lawmaker who's a lawbreaker and a COVIDiot. BJP MLA from Maharashtra, Mahesh Langde, is seen celebrating a Sangeet ceremony for his daughter. There is no social distancing and all COVID norms are being violated by the leader and his guests. You can see all of them dancing in this particular video. BJP MLA from Maharashtra, Mahesh Langde, celebrating at a Sangeet at a time when the country is battling the second wave and a deadly wave of the COVID pandemic. The lawmaker himself is breaking the law. On your screens right now, COVIDiot Mahesh Langde on your screens with his guests celebrating Sangeet ceremony for his daughter. This is a example of lawmaker who is a lawbreaker and an absolute COVIDiot. Pankaj Khelkar is joining us for the very latest detail. Pankaj, what is going on? It looks like from this video as if there is no second wave. People were not ever, running pillar to post to get themselves treated for the deadly COVID-19 that hit them. It's not even over. And here you've got a lawmaker breaking every law possible. How does the BJP respond to a lawmaker breaking the law like this, inviting so many guests and all the COVID protocols? You can see on your screens, no mask, no social distancing, nothing.
Over here in Bhosri area near Pune, this BJP MLA Mahesh Langde, he was spotted and the videos went viral that Sangeet ceremony was celebrated and the social distancing norms were flouted. Now he has been booked under flouting these norms of COVID. But when the media tried to get in touch with him, he was out of contact. But suddenly he went to nearby pilgrimage and celebrated, or he performed the marriage ceremony of his daughter 6 days prior to the actual date. The reason that he gave was all of the media was just targeting him. On the other side, he has also raised his voice and he is now saying, although he is on the wrong side, he is saying that why did the media didn't see when the metro was inaugurated and Honorable Chief Minister Uddhav Ji Thackeray was there. There were more than 300 people. That's what he is saying. So why wasn't he booked? So he has done wrong, but instead of accepting that he is at fault, he is pointing fingers at others.
Absolutely. Thanks for getting us this particular report. On your screens right now, COVIDiots celebrating a Sangeet ceremony. This is a BJP lawmaker who is breaking the law. He is violating all the COVID norms. He's a BJP MLA from Maharashtra.